Okay, so next generation of GPS trackers, LK210-GPS. They come in a pretty box like this. Open the box, you get three things. A wiring harness. The wiring harness, of course, takes it from the power supply. You untangle this thing. You get your usual bits and pieces. You get a black cable, goes to the earth. You get a yellow cable, goes to accessory. You get a red cable, it goes to the main power supply. And I'm fucking colourblind, so I don't know what that one is. But that one will control a relay if you want to control a relay independently. In the scale of things, to start off with, the only two that matter are these. The rest of it's all pretty unimportant. The other end, it's got a quick connector in there. If you look down in the middle of it, you'll see that there's a little thing. If you can't get this to connect into there, once you've wired it in, just rotate it until it goes in. It has to go in the whole way like that, otherwise it doesn't work. These ones even come with a pre-built in fuse in the system, which is a bit easier because it means you can actually run it straight off the battery without having to try and put another fuse in the line or anything like that. Pretty easy, pretty good. Only things you really need to do when actually setting one of these things up is over on one of the sides you get a releasey thingy here that opens up, that covers all your shield. What you do is you take your little SIM card and you put your SIM card in with the little knob facing down and this facing towards the fat side. So in and like that. Now you've got to keep on pushing until you hear it click. And it locks the whole way down. If it doesn't lock the whole way down, you've got a problem, because it means that it won't work, because it means that this won't close, and if that doesn't close properly and seal nice and flush and flat like that, it's not going to work.